Hi everyone, my name is Costa, and in today's quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this text right here that shrinks in and disappears behind the video when I scroll down. So let's get started. Step number 1, let's type in Framer, press Ctrl X, paste it inside the breakpoint, change the position to fixed and align it to the top. Now let's scroll back and select the text, go to Effects, scroll transform, then select section and view. So in my case right here, I have a scroll section. Let's delete it, select the media, which is the wrapper of the scroll section, and I will create a new one. Then call it video or whatever you want. Select the Framer text now and let's select the section that we just created, which is video. Now click from, type in 1 and 1 and then 2, type in 0 and 0 as well. So next, make sure that this media right here has a z-index of 2 or 3 and the z-index of the text should be 1. And voila, when we scroll, as you can see, this gets behind the video. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.